Hello everybody, this is Khashayar and this video is a kind of demo video because I'm trying to answer some of my friends and some of my friends on the Facebook and YouTube that ask me why I use Turtle module for writing games, and if Pygame is not better, or if Turtle is enough good. Of course Pygame is much better module for writing games, but for some specific games, for simple games, Turtle can be enough. And also, in my opinion, to some degree, Turtle is really good module and very underestimated by programmers and people who haven't had enough experience working with Turtle module. So, for example, and for that I'm trying to show you what I could write with Turtle. Of course there are many better programmers, of course they are writing much better programs with Turtle, so respect all of them. So this is what I could done. For example, this kind of replication for neutron, electron and proton. It's kind of childish, but you can see the position of each element on the screen. Or for example this one, that you have two separate objects and they are starting to be increasing numbers and decreasing speed, and most of the time I've been writing this kind of codes like a practice for learning object-oriented programming. And for example this one, it's kinda I tried to use Pythagorean theorem somehow to mimic the gravity between 3-4 objects, and after when you change some inputs of the formula inside the formula, the objects are going far and far from each other and moving slower. It depends on how you want to manipulate the program. This one is kind of replication of solar system, and also it was kind of practice for have a better understanding of object-oriented programming and writing with classes, these kind of things. For example, this one, it's kind of grid editor, and you can import it to other programs which using grid. And for example, you can write when you are, for example, you are writing a maze game, and instead of doing anything manually, you can just use your mouse and create some, I don't know, some maze with different shapes and walls and traps or something like that. Okay, what else? For example, I could use the same grid editor to use for BFS search, which can search the area and show all the related dots from target to the home, something like that. And for example, and this one, it's kind of simple weather API and clock. For example, you can write the name of the city, Oslo for example, and it will show you the date, the time and the weather with some kind of simple animation, and it's just Turtle. What else? Memory puzzle with Turtle, and so I think Turtle is a very capable module. I don't know, something like that. And what else, for example, actually I think this is Tetris, written by Turtle completely. Just sound system, I use mixer from Pygame, and everything else it's just so yes. And I remember I had another program too, like Flying Bird. I think it was a bird moving around. It was kind of, maybe I can, Flying Bird, yeah, it's here. This was kind of crazy program. So you can have some kind of funny animation, and it's, you can write a complete game if you want to be Turtle. Yeah. Okay guys, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are watching my YouTube channel, please subscribe, and I see you in next video. I will come up with something. Thank you.